Digital Media House.
HTML elements are the building blocks of a web page. Each element has a specific purpose. Content elements are used in the HTML document body to specify the type of content on a web page. Some common content elements are the heading elements, the paragraph element, and the list elements. There are 6 heading elements. Each one displays the heading text in a different font size. The largest heading element is the heading 1 and has a tag name of H1. The H1 element is followed by the heading 2 through the heading 6 element. Each heading element's tag name is written as an H, followed by the heading size number. The larger the number, the smaller the heading font size. While there is no limit to how many heading elements there can be on a web page, the H1 should only be used once, and it's intended to mark the primary heading of a web page. The paragraph element is simple and uses the tag name P. The P tag marks the paragraph text of a web page's content. It commonly contains nested text formatting elements, such as the bold element or the italics element. To display images in the body content of a web page document, use the image element, which has the tag name img. Some HTML elements require the use of attributes to function correctly. With the image element, the source attribute, written as src, and its value being the URL of the image file, is required for the browser to know which image file to display. There are 3 elements for displaying content as a list. The ordered list element with the tag name OL, the unordered list element with the tag name UL, and the description list element with the tag DL. Each list element designates the area on the web page where a list can display. To add items to the list, another HTML element is nested within the list elements. The ordered list element uses the list item element with the tag name LI. Any text within the LI tag will display as a single item in the ordered list. As an ordered list, each entry automatically has a sequential number on the left side of each list item. The unordered list element also uses the nested list item element and works the same way as the ordered list element. The only difference is that the list items have a bullet icon to the left, rather than sequential numbers. The third list element is the description list. This element uses 2 nested elements, the description term element with the tag name DT and the description definition element with the tag name DD. The description list element is commonly used to format a page's index, glossary of terms with term definitions, or for a table of contents. The DD tag does not have a number or bullet to the left side like the ordered and unordered list elements, but it does have an indentation. There are more HTML content elements that can be used to enhance a website user's engagement with a web page's content. Each element has a specific purpose related to a web page's content and should be used as it was intended.